Don't fail your driving test by incorrectly positioning your hands on the steering wheel. Your left hand should be 10 o'clock and your right hand should be 2 o'clock on the wheel. This allows for better control and reduces strain on your arms. Maintain a relaxed grip. Hold the steering wheel firmly but not too tightly. Tension in your hands and elbows can affect your control and make the steering less smooth. Your upper body, your torso, must be fully relaxed. Avoid sudden motions because that can destabilize and disrupt the vehicle's path and flow. Whenever possible, use both hands on the steering wheel to ensure better control and stability. However, it's important to note that some driving situations may require briefly using one hand, example when you're shifting gears or operating vehicle's controls. The amount of steering input required depends on the speed of the vehicle and sharpness of the turn. Generally, you'll need to turn the wheel more at slower speeds and less at higher speeds. Steering and accelerator never have a good relationship. If you steer sharp, don't accelerate too much. If you accelerate too much, don't steer sharply. Your elbows must be bent the whole time. You can't stretch your arms out because that way you're not going to be able to control the vehicle efficiently. If you're riding a bike, imagine if you squeeze onto the handlebar tightly, would you be standing upright? It's very much the same when you're driving a car. For sharper turns or maneuvers, use the hand-over-hand steering technique. Start pushing the wheel up with one hand while the other hand crosses over to pull the wheel down. This technique allows you more precise control. Be sure to check out our video on how to position your seat properly because if you sit too far, you're not going to be able to steer accurately. As always, feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you next time.